Stages of learning. The Swiss scientist Jean Piaget was the first to provide a detailed description of how a child's mind develops. He said that children's minds go through 4 main stages of development. The first stage is called the sensory-motor stage and lasts from age 0 to age 2. Sensory-motor means the baby is in a world of senses, seeing, hearing, etc. And movements. Babies first develop important movements, like drinking their mother's milk. This act involves both the sense of taste and some movement. Later, babies use their sense and movements to learn about objects. For example, a baby recognizes that the chair it saw and touched the day before is the same chair it is seeing and touching today. From age 2 to 7, the child is in the stage known as the proprational stage. The word proprational can be understood to mean something like before. One is able to think in the right way. Piaget called it pre-operational because he felt that the child was beginning to understand many things but still made many mistakes. Children in this stage can use language and can solve some problems, but they all make the same kinds of mistakes. For example, if you pour water from a tall, skinny glass to a short, fat glass, adults know that the amount of water is the same. But a child in this stage thinks that there is more water in the first glass because it is taller. The third stage, called the concrete operational stage, starts at age 7 and continues through until age 11. In this stage, children begin to understand things like the glass of water test. Also, they become better at math and can put groups of objects into sensible orders. They can also think about things from other people's points of view. The last stage, from age 11 and up, is the formal operational stage. This is when children learn to think about things in more complicated ways. In this stage, children can learn advanced math or reasoning. They also learn to think about things like love and people's values in life. According to Piaget, some people never fully reach the formal operational stage. These people stay in the concrete operational stage for their whole lives. Piaget's stages of childhood development, first described around 80 years ago, have been discussed a lot and changed. However, they still remain very useful for scientists today.